In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flag an email in Gmail, helping you keep track of important messages with ease. Whether you're organizing your inbox for work or trying to ensure you don't miss out on any significant updates, learning to flag emails can be incredibly useful. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Gmail. Once you've logged in and your inbox is in front of you, take a moment to identify the email that needs your attention. You'll want to flag this email to keep it easily accessible and noticeable in your inbox. Now you need to look for a small star icon situated beside the email's subject line or sender name. This star is the key to flagging that particular email. Clicking on the star will immediately mark the message as important, changing the outline from hollow to filled. This simple action transforms the email into a visually distinct item among your others, thanks to the eye-catching color of the star. If you click it once more, it will cycle through a series of colors, provided you've customized your stars in Gmail settings. These colorful stars can help categorize messages even further, depending on your needs. You may be wondering about how to access your flagged emails at a later date. This is both easy and straightforward. On the left side of your Gmail dashboard, where your folders and categories are listed, you'll find a section labeled Starred. Clicking on Starred will display all the emails you've marked. This view is particularly useful for swift navigation to important messages, eliminating the need to sift through numerous other emails. For those who enjoy an extra bit of organization, adjusting the settings related to stars in Gmail can enhance your email management. Head over to the Settings menu by clicking on the gear icon usually found in the upper right corner of your Gmail dashboard. Select See All Settings to dive deeper into customization options. Navigate to the General tab and scroll down to find the Stars section. Here, Gmail offers various options for stars that you can drag into the In Use area, allowing you to have a variety of visual markers for your emails. Once you've made your selections, don't forget to scroll to the bottom of the page and save your changes by clicking Save Changes. With your new personalized system of stars, your flagged emails will become an even more powerful tool for organization and prioritization. And there you have it, a comprehensive way to flag and organize emails in Gmail. Remember, mastering these simple steps can save you time and increase your productivity by ensuring that your most vital communications are always easily accessible. Give it a try today and enjoy a more streamlined email experience.